Star cuddles deep sleep, night keep. Night whispers hush, soft rush. Star cuddles deep sleep, night keep. Sweet dreams float by, lullaby. Night wraps sky in blue, soft hue. Star fades, gentle light, good night. Moon smiles one last time, sleep time.
Cloud drifts slow, slow, dream flow.
Cloud says good night, sleep tight.
Moon hugs sleepy star, near, far.
Kitty dreams of play all day. Little owl says, "Who miss you?"
Night whispers hush, soft rush.
Moon hums gentle song all night long. Tiny star feels shy, blinking eye. Breeze kisses leaf, soft relief. Duck says quack, quack, come back. Cloud plays hide and seek, peek, peek. Fish draws bubbles round, no sound. Sun waves sleepy hand, soft land. Sun peeks once more, smile galore. Bunny wiggles nose, rose a rose. Rainbows hug the sky, fly high. Star cuddles moon, night tune. Little crab walks side, sea tide. Bird sings tiny cheer, so clear. Moon rocks star to sleep, dream deep. Bee rests on a flower, soft power. Star blinks sleepy eye, bye-bye. Turtle walks tiny pace, cute face. Kitten hugs warm sun, day fun. Cloud draws funny face, slow pace. Starfish waves hello, down below. Sun naps behind cloud, not loud. Turtle walks tiny pace, cute face. Little frog jumps hop, hop, hop. Puppy curls to rest, cozy nest.
laughs in rain, no pain. Bird rests tiny feet, so sweet. Cloud hugs the sun, so fun. Bear yawns big, wide, night side. Bee hums tiny song all along. Leaf waves bye-bye, drifts high. Kitty blinks eyes slow. Hello! Rain taps soft beat, street meet. Star hops in sky, oh my. Duck swims round, round, safe sound. Puppy wags its tail, happy trail. Moon peeks from cloud, no sound. Tiny bell rings sweet, tap feet. Sunflower says, hey, bright day. Stars hum lullaby, sleepy sky. Butterfly says, wow, here now. Soft wind plays tune, afternoon. Little fish says splash, quick dash. Little sun waves high, bright sky. Happy cloud floats free, like me. Tiny ant walks slow, hello. Baby cow says moo, I love you. Butterfly lands near, no fear. Bear hugs honey jar, sweet star. Wave curls soft blue, hello you. Stars sprinkle shine, night time for panda clap slow, slow, gentle show. Star blinks once more, night door. Lamb jumps fluffy white, pure delight. Moon smiles gentle bright, good night. Morning sun stretch wide, wake side. Frog naps on leaf, cool relief. Bell rings soft tone, home zone. Starfish hugs the shore, wave roar. Cloud yaws big sigh, float by. Cat curls tail neat, warm seat. Mouse peeks tiny door once more. Rainbow bends to say, nice day. spins round and round, soft ground. Bee flies buzz, buzz, sweet fuzz. Rainbow bends to say, nice day. Leaf spins round and round, soft ground. Bee flies buzz, buzz, sweet fuzz. Boat rocks gentle sea, just me. Sunflower smiles wide, side to side. Little worm wiggle play all day. Firefly draws light in night. Birds clap wings twice, so nice. Bell rings soft tone, home zone.
Morning sun stretch wide, wake side.
Cat curls tail neat, warm seat. Frog naps on leaf, cool relief. Cloud yaws big sigh, float by. Little worm wiggle play all day. Starfish hugs the shore, wave roar. Flower nods its head, sun-fed. Boat rocks gentle sea, just me. Rainbow bends to say, nice day. Bee flies buzz, buzz, sweet fuzz. Snowflake twirls so light, pure white. Firefly draws light in night. Sunflower smiles wide, side to side.
Drum tap soft beat,
Move feet. Leaf spins round and round, soft ground. Butterfly lands near, no fear. Baby cow says moo, I love you. Tiny ant walks slow, hello. Night whispers hush, soft rush. Bear hugs honey jar, sweet star. A pug puppy runs in park, happy bark. Star cuddles deep sleep, night keep. Sweet dreams float by, lullaby. Balloon dances high in the sky. Cloud drifts slow, slow, dream flow. Night whispers hush, soft rush.
moon smiles one last time, sleep time.